Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your vacuum cleaning and repair needs. So today I wanted to make a little video on some of the Dyson products that we get in particular some of the Dyson Uprights. So we get these in a lot of common issues with these things. So we're just going to take you guys through kind of what we see, what some of the common issues we see in our stores, and then kind of how the repair process works at our company. So basically this lady just brought this in today. This is a Dyson UP19. We get them all in, so it doesn't matter if it's a UP19, 13, DC25, DC07, any of the upright models, we take all of them in for repair. All of our estimates are totally free. They don't cost you anything. There's no obligation to you after we give you the estimate to get it repaired with our store. So this lady, she brought this vacuum in because she said it wasn't picking up very well. When you feel it at the top, there was no suction. We put down some of the testing stuff on the ground and tried to vacuum it up. It wasn't picking it up, it was just kicking it out. So in this particular instance, what happened is this lady has a clog inside of the unit that she wasn't aware of, didn't know about. So it must have been something that got sucked and jammed up in there, and then all the dirt got compacted behind it, so therefore lost airflow and suction, so that way it's not picking anything up. Some of the other reasons why it may not have suction besides of having a clog inside the unit is sometimes because of these filters too. These need to be changed regularly. I always recommend once a year. I know this filter on the inside of this compartment, this one is a washable filter, this guy right here. I still recommend replacing these filters once a year. It will just do wonders on the machine and wonders for your home and for the air quality that's coming out of this vacuum. Some of the other common issues that we see is the roller's not spinning, or making, when you turn it on, it's making a really loud sound. Sometimes after so long, they kind of just wear out. I have seen issues where something might have got sucked up inside the vacuum and it broke the roller. These are very common, very easy replaces. We see these rollers in all the time. They're super easy to replace and fix. So if the roller's not spinning, don't be alarmed. It could be just a simple roller replacement, and that's all you need. Sometimes you may smell a bad odor if you have pets and things like that. You may suck something up that got through the vacuum and it's just got a really foul smell. You can bring it into us and we can clean it, service it, and have it smelling like brand new again. Or a burning smell. Sometimes we do get the burning smell. It could be because of the roller. It also could be because of the motor. So there's a couple things that it could be why it may be burning. Another one is that it's not turning on. These don't really have sensors in them that cut the machine off like some of the other vacuums that we carry, but it could be as something simple as your cord is bad. We do get people in here that vacuum over the cord, and after wear and tear use, it just goes bad, so we have to replace the cord. So loss of suction or no suction, cords are big things for no power, the roller's not spinning, burning smell, things like that. These are all issues that we see a lot with these Dysons. So if you're having any of these issues and you want to just bring it in and have us look at it, we do offer a same-day repair process. We get you a ticket like this. Typically we can do it in the same day if it's a quick fix. If we want to do a full workup on it, like this lady, just because it's clogged, she's going to have it in here for a full service and maintenance. So instead of just having the clog taken care of, where she's going to go ahead and have it fully serviced, maintenance, all new filters, and she's getting a brand new brush roll, because after 5 years, this is about how long she's had it, they just start wearing out and getting softer, and the bristles start wearing down. So it's a good thing to have it replaced. So she's getting the full workup on this. So if you guys have any questions, call us at 703-997-9292, and then we can help you out and answer any questions. We're open 7 days a week, so stop in and see us. Thanks, guys.